of project you have made?
This is called water cycle.
Okay, this is what is evaporation? You have shown it.
When the sun rays fall on the sea water, the water turn into vapor, evaporation.
Okay. Okay, what you have made?
This is made water cycle.
It is a what is condensation? You
When
have
water vapor turns into cloud is called condensation.
when the water turn into a cloud, it's called condensation.
Yes.
Okay, right. Okay, what you have made? Can you define it a little bit?
Yes,
Define.
this is water cycle.
Okay.
When the water comes in seas and ocean, then it evaporate from sun rays. Then it convert into a cloud. This process is called condensation, and the cloud bring rain. This is called precipitation. Then the process repeat again.
Okay, okay, very nice. Okay, what you have made? What is
The water cycle.
okay?
When the water again starts falls on ground is called precipitation.
Okay, you have tell about precipitation. Very nice. Next. Okay. What is collection? You have written over here. What is collection? Okay, water. All the water collected and then go into the sea is called collection. Okay, can you define what is evaporation? What is you have written here? What is evaporation?
When the water against to get falls underground is called evaporation.